Are you ready for an aquatic adventure? Well, get prepared to take a walk on the underwater side. Today we are diving into the Florida Aquarium for an epic SeaTrek experience. Join us as we come face to face with some amazing, incredible marine creatures. The Florida Aquarium is a publicly operated institution located in downtown Tampa, Florida. It is a large-scale 250,000 square foot aquarium and is accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums. The Florida Aquarium opened in March 1995, and the facility is home to more than 7,000 aquatic plants and animals from all over the world. Some of the exhibits include a free-flying bird aviary with a lush mangrove tunnel, native Florida fish, river otters, and alligators. A 500,000-gallon panoramic coral reef gallery, which is home to impressive sharks, stingrays, sea turtles, barracudas, and more. It also includes a stingray petting area and a jellyfish touch experience. Since we did have some time to explore before our scheduled SeaTrek experience, we decided to see firsthand what made this zoo rated among the best aquariums in the U.S.
Hello!
So when I touch one jelly, we're going to do 2 flat fingers, and we're going to slide across the top nice and soft.
All right.
After a serene experience visiting the various exhibits and the aquatic life found within, it was time for our main attraction, an underwater guided walking tour of a 15-foot deep Heart of the Sea Habitat SeaTrek tour.
Welcome to SeaTrek at the Florida Aquarium, where you can explore the underwater world and become immersed in aquatic life.
Hello.
My name is Morgan. I'm going to help you out on top along with Matt. In the water today, you have Jamie, Becca, and Trent. They're going to be your guys' dive guides. So we're going to be handling all of your guys' equipment today. We've got your helmet, your air source, and your back plate. So you're going to put these back plates on up here. We're going to connect your air source to it, and then place that helmet on top. The helmet's pretty heavy up here, but in the water, it should only feel about 10 to 15 pounds, which just to keep you underwater. Are these animals home? So make sure to treat them with respect. Keep your hands to yourselves at all times. We have a longer head in there, and I'm Sheldon, and he's super curious. If he wants to get in your guys' space, that's fine. Just keep your hands to yourself. If he's coming in hot, make sure to get out of his way, because he will not get out of yours. Oh, he's cold. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Thank you all for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Hit that bell notification to get a reminder of future videos. A special thanks to our channel members. If you'd like to further support the channel, become a member and get an awesome little dolphin beside your name to show off your support.